Good afternoon, traders. Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures on Tuesday, July 10th here in the afternoon. Talking to you about some commentary here in the energy markets here. Let's get started here. August crude oil, 83.88, down about 211. And we're also seeing the August Brent, 97.92, down about $2.40 a barrel. So we're seeing a sell-off in the energy markets, down about 2.5%. Give me a call if you want to talk about that Brent WTI spread. Still some great trading opportunities in there. Go into more detail here if you give me a call on the desk. Taking a look at the entire complex, nat gas right now getting smacked pretty hard, down around 274. That's off about 13-14 cents here, and that's down almost 5% on the day. So a lot of weakness there. Taking a look at the complex, touch weaker as well. We've got RBOB around 274.42. It's off about $1.50, and the heat around 272.40, down about 2.5. So certainly we're seeing some weakness there. Taking a look at the fundamentals here. What's driving prices lower? Well, getting started here at the beginning of the trading day here, we were a touch weaker. Crude was off a little bit, about 50 to 60 cents, but fairly stable, holding up here pretty nice. Then we did start to see deterioration throughout the day. Some of that coming on the heels of, there was a oil worker strike there in Norway, and the news of that kind of subsiding and being resolved helped put pressure on the markets. Outside markets, the equities markets, take a look at, the S&P stocks here, really weakening here significantly, so that's helping and drag it down. Dollar was stronger throughout most of the session, so that's also helped putting pressure on it. And then some of it could possibly be attributed to, there was news many are hearing about a firm that is being put on liquidation only, a commodity firm being put on liquidation only. And so their non-clearing FCM, the firm that's carrying the trades on that, is unwinding or basically liquidating position. Now, it doesn't necessarily always mean selling here. Liquidation, if you're, of course, if you're short, could be a buy, but that's also been reported as possibly causing some of these markets to come under a little bit of pressure. Technicals, though, what's interesting to note is that, I've talked about that 84-ish area being a pretty key support area. And although the market is trading just underneath that right now by about 12 cents or so, so far we are, the market does appear to be holding up fairly well around that 84 area. So it's really key here to see how the rest of this afternoon goes, as well as the overnight into tomorrow morning. If that market holds up around this 84 area, this could be a spot for aggressive traders possibly to come in and look to be on the long side of the market. Otherwise, if we really fail here, we could be heading down to around that 81 quarter area. So really need to keep a strong eye on that. If you'd like to talk, give me a call at the trade desk. If you want to get added to the distribution list, we are going to have API numbers coming out here in a little while. DOE numbers will be coming out tomorrow morning. So tune in tomorrow morning and I'll go over those DOE numbers with you. Give me a call at the trade desk or shoot me an email. The number to the trade desk is 1-800-367-7290. And of course, remember that the risk of loss does exist in futures trading and that it may not be suitable for everyone.